Contextual help on ConnectALL UI. So this is a new help. We call it as ICE, but I think ICE is more of an internal term that we are using. We have this contextual help on ConnectALL, wherein it is integrated. You will see help on a different page, right? It opens up a different tech doc page, but here we are actually having a panel which opens up all the help content for ConnectALL. I'll quickly show how it look like. We'll have a lot of additional capabilities that is coming up in the upcoming PIs, but for now, you will see a panel which opens up within ConnectALL, and you will be able to navigate to all the help contents. We have also included Ask Via, which is a beta. It's more of asking sort of intelligent questions, sort of AI integrated, wherein we can ask questions and it tries to collect the data from within the ConnectALL. So this is how it look like on the panel, and we'll be able to, so according to the page that you're visiting, this panel will actually refresh and open it up. Sorry. So this Ask Via, you will actually have an option wherein you can ask contextual help, and it will try to gather information from within the documentations that we have. So it's more of giving a prompt, it gives you the value. Via ICE or contextual help will be available for all users. For the time being in ConnectALL, we only support the ICE panel or the contextual panel. You will not be able to go into the technical docs, but there are links that actually opens up in that. So we don't have a config setting to move between the technical doc or the ICE panel. It is always going to be the ICE panel that that we'll be seeing. Only difference that you see in other applications and ConnectALL is like ConnectALL, because it's built on ZCOS. The panel actually, when you move between pages, a panel closes and opens it. So if you're familiar with seeing on Rally or Clarity, the panel will always remain there. But on ConnectALL, it always closes and opens up on the context of that particular page. So let me quickly show how it will look like. So this I'm logged in as a group admin. So in here, you can go to the help. So we have this icon over here, and when you open up help, it opens up this ICE panel for you. Again, this is more of like there are a couple of changes that we wanted to, for example, ConnectALL. This is not how it has to. It should be like ConnectALL with the all ALL in caps, and it should be combined together. These are things that we are working on, which we'll be fixing it. So it opens up this page for you. Now, if you go into the automations, it brings me the details of all automations. You can navigate from the panels over here as well. You can, the rest all is like you can align the ConnectALL's application and the ICE application. So you can navigate through this, and you can read through all the detailing that is needed. We also have the via in here, you can ask your questions, and you can you can have the conversations. This is some conversations that I was actually asking along with on my via, like how issue linking works. So it'll pick me values based on the conversations that I have in here. If I go to the home page, I can see all my documentations from Get Started. Probably this is what our product documentation, all that we see. And you can navigate through this, and you can actually do the settings. So only difference that we see across is like when you go into the tab, the ICE panel actually closes and it relaunches it again with that respective page. And you can always like you can move the screen. You have this adjustment control over here. If you wanted to move the panel, so you can read through it, and if you wanted to make some changes in here. If you have links, The links will, if there are links in here, it will open up for you in the tech docs page. This is another issue that we are actually working with the ICE team, because today it opens up this page and we'll have to search for ConnectALL and then it lands you on that direct page. This is something we'll actually work and get it fixed. It has to land us directly to this page. So that's all the ICE or the contextual help that we have. Any questions? Okay. Moving on.
I have a quick question on IceFini. So yeah, so as part of the information that you're given there, does it also connect to academy courses and things like that, or is it mainly just documentation?
No, it even goes into the academic courses. Let me just open it for you. I know we put in the YouTube and stuff like that. It should bring the academic courses also. If not, I can definitely check that out because we'll have to. Let me open up the panel. There it is. Navigate, let me bring it. But I can quickly check that, Tim. Ideally, yeah, we are trying. We ensure that we have all those YouTubes and stuff like that. But the academy stuff, let me check that and I'll get it to you. Let me go into the home page and see where
That's
it
great,
is.
Vinny. Thank you.
Yeah, let me check if it's already available. I'm trying to. But yeah, I'll definitely check that. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Also, Vinny, a quick
Yeah.
question.
Should be. Sorry. Yeah, please.
So you mentioned that you're working with the ICE team to get the links fixed, etc. In case we find issues outside of these just links, is there a way to report it, or how do we get this resolved? Because this is going to be in parallel along with the product itself, right?
Right. You can definitely report it to us, and we will work with the ICE team to get it fixed. Prem.
Okay.
You can anytime reach out to me directly on these things if you're seeing it, because this is something that's quick. We can actually fix it up, right? So we can get that done.
Okay.
So just feel free to reach out to me.
Sure.
And Tim, I'll make a note of it. Let me check whether the academies are in there.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.